Hello everyone, you are watching Services Ground. In this tutorial, we will learn how to resize an image in Adobe Photoshop. I am going to start with this image and we need to resize the image to 900 pixels. Before resize the image, let's check out what's the actual size of the image. In most cases, the image is too larger than we need to resize. And also it may be smaller than we need to resize the image. If we enlarge the image a lot, it looks blurry at some points. Now, go to the bottom of the document window and click and hold the document size information. In the small pop-up, you will see the size of the image. As we can see that this image is 5472 pixel wide and 3648 pixel high. We need to resize the image to 900 pixel. That means we need to scale down the image. To resize the image, now go to the menu bar, select image and then click on the image size. That will open the image size dialog box. If you want to enlarge the dialog box, then go to the corner of the window and drag it out. On the left side there is a preview of the image and on the right side there is control to resize the image. On the right side, as you can see here, the image size information. That is 57 MB of size. Below the image size, you can see the dimension of the image. Before resize the image, first make sure that the link icon is on, so the image will not get stretched. And secondly, check the resemble box. This will add some pixels when you enlarge the image, and this will also adjust the pixels if you make image smaller. And third, make a look on the right of the width and height. This is the dimension unit of the image width and height. By default, it is inches. If you want to resize the image in pixels, then inches is not the correct unit. I am going to change the unit to pixels by clicking here. Now select pixels. As we see that the other menu for the height also changes because the width and height are linked. Now it's time to change the size. I'm going to width field and instead of 5472 pixels, I type 900 pixels. As we can see that the height of the image change automatic proportionally. But if you want to change the image on different proportions, say 900 by 400 instead of 900 by 600, in this case you can use the crop tool. We will discuss about the crop tool in the next video. Now click on OK to save the changes and go back to the document window. If you want to check the size of the image after changes, go to the bottom of the document window, click and hold the document size information and you can see there now I have the size of the image 900 by 600 pixels instead of the original that was 5472 pixels by 3648 pixels. All you have to do is to save the image. Go up to the menu bar and I choose save as instead of save because I want to save the file that is 900 pixel in a new file to keep the original file that is 5472 pixel. I am going to give this file another name. You can type anything that you want. Now click Save button and click OK to the JPEG options window. And all we have done. That's how can we resize the image using Photoshop image size dialog box. If you guys have any question or queries, please let us know in the comments below. Or you can send us email at the following address. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Take care and I will see you in the next video.